If you want to create a scene with a text, you can use AI scene generator. It's very easy. You can prompt, describe something, and you can create such a interesting scene. For example, I tell the tree primate on the surface of the Mars and human are walking on the surface of the Mars with spacesuit. And done. Which style do you want? Realistic, or you can make a realistic, animate, 3D, or any concept illustration that you want. Which type do you want? I want to make it realistic. You can choose the scene, and which scene do you want? Just I want to make it none to make sure that my prompt is creating for me. Artistry, if you want to increase or decrease number of that, and you can change the ratio of that here. Make sure you are in a fast mode to render it fast. Because of that, you have to purchase a standard or pro. It's worse. Let's generate two of image and let's see what happened with this. Interesting. Nice, love it. And then publish it to other see that. Or you can enhance it. Add a lot of other things to that, and you can generate it again. Because I'm in the fast mode, you can see it's rendering fast, creating fast for me. It's creating based on the prompts and style. Or let's try another thing. The oak forest with a river and waterfall. Type that here. Beautiful flower by side of the river. A little bit of tree, and boom. We're generating. Sorry. Let's try. Nice. Interesting. Love it. Publish it for others to see that. Okay. And you can enhance it to add a lots of other things to that. Wow. Every color. Let's explain it more. But let's make it something like this. And then see what happened. Changing the style. 3D mode. Interesting. But because of I explain it very in detail, it just see the prompts and doesn't see other thing. It looks like that. Okay, love it. Or you can type anything that you want. That's interesting. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.